How to duo in Monkey app or chat with friends. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to use the duo feature in Monkey app or even chat with your friends. So the very first thing that you want to do before you dive in into the video is make sure that you're currently using the latest version of the Monkey application. This is to ensure that you will be having those kind of feature. Next thing to do is, of course, open up Monkey application and log in based on your account preference. If it's either going to be a Google, a Facebook, or a TikTok account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, make sure to allow everything here so that you can use every feature that needs from this application. Then here, just tap on Bet, and then as you can see on this option right here, you should be able to see this squad mode. You simply tap on that, and then switch it into duo mode. Now, for you to be able to chat with friends or execute a duo mode, just simply copy this link that you have on your screen and share it over into one of your friends so you can start with chatting on them. And that is how you duo in Monkey app or chat with friends.